Hey guys, how are you? I am here for Tip Tuesday to show you guys how I store my icing. So I got lots of questions about what is the best way to store your icing. This is what I have found that works the best way. So I love these Rubbermaid containers. This is just a Rubbermaid container that I have picked up from probably the grocery store. And then I love these also. These are the Ziploc bowls that I love. So when you're storing your icing, I just made a batch of icing, and so what I've done is I've just put the extra in here, and I just put it all into my bowl here with my spatula, and then I'm going to take some press and seal here. This is, you can also use cling wrap as well. You don't have to have the press and seal, but the press and seal works really well. But you can also use the Gladware, the plastic wrap. But I just pull some out and then just put it right over the top. You want to make sure that you press it down and it's touching the icing. So whether you're using the cling wrap or the press and seal, make sure that it's touching the icing. And then you're just going to push it all along the outside here and then put your lid on top of your container. So let's do this one here. Since this is just a little smaller, I'm going to take my spatula out. You can also do this while you're working with your icing if you want to keep it from crusting over and getting little crusties in it. That's another way to do it. Looks like we're at the very end of this here, but we will still make it work. So I'm just going to pull it out, and I'm going to press it on to it. Now, I kind of like to press it down in there just in case if any air gets into it, it's not going to mess up my icing and make my icing crust. Then I'm just going to take my lid, pop my lid on, and this is how I like to store it. I store it in the fridge just like this, or I will store it on the counter just like this. Hope that was helpful. Thanks, you guys.